In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new frame in FigJam. In FigJam, the feature that behaves like a frame is called a section. Sections let you group related notes, shapes, and images so they stay organized and move together as one unit. This is perfect for brainstorming, organizing ideas, or keeping workshop activities tidy on a busy board. First, choose the tool you'll use to make the section. Look to the bottom toolbar and click the section icon, or if you prefer working faster with shortcuts, press Shift+S on your keyboard. Either option activates the same tool, so pick the method that feels most natural to you. Now draw the area for your section. Move your cursor to any spot on the canvas, click and drag to define the container. You'll see a highlighted box appear as you drag. Aim for an area that comfortably fits the content you plan to group. It doesn't have to be perfect on the first try. You're simply creating a clear boundary that visually separates your material from the rest of the board. Next, add your content to the section. Drag your sticky notes, shapes, or images into the container. Once they're inside, the section treats them as a single unit, which makes it easy to move or align your ideas without losing their arrangement. This grouping effect is what makes sections so helpful when you're managing lots of pieces on a large board. Give the section a clear name so you and your collaborators instantly know what it contains. Double-click the title area at the top left of the section and type a label that reflects its purpose, such as agenda, sprint tasks, or research notes. Good naming keeps your board scannable and reduces confusion during collaboration. Here's a pro tip to speed things up. If you already have content on the board that you want to group, select those items, right-click, and choose Create Section. FigJam will wrap everything you selected into a new section instantly, preserving the layout you already built. It's a quick way to bring structure to a busy canvas without redrawing anything. That's all you need to create a new frame-like section in FigJam. Pick the Section tool, draw your container, add content, and rename it for clarity with the option to wrap existing content in one step. Give it a try in your next session and you'll find your boards become cleaner, easier to navigate, and much more collaborative.